Hello, everyone. Good evening, good morning. Hello, everybody. Let's start off the day. What's happening? Oh my God, I have to do quite some updates about the banners because it's not updated properly. Sorry. How is everybody doing? How is everybody on this beautiful morning? Yesterday, again, the tariff war is continuing. Oh, absolutely mental. Hold on. Hello, Teacher FX. Hello there. Tell me good morning. Farhad, good to see you. And Sam is here. Hello. All right. All right. How's everybody doing? Natasha is here. Hello, Natasha. What is going on? Just a second. Okay. Now it's fine. Tired. Oh my God, yeah. Hey, Discipline Trader is here. Hello. Yeah, tired from last day. I can imagine. Yesterday I was like, what the hell is going on? And it was the China tariffs. Naomi, hello. Good to see you, Naomi. Albert, good morning. I'm just saying this forward that I cannot stay for too long. I have to leave at the pre-market open. So sometime around 4 a.m. or a little bit before 4 a.m. I have to leave. So it's going to be like a definitely less than 2 hours stream. But I'll be here. I'll be here for London and after that. But unfortunately, for the pre-market open, I'm not sure I can stay. But I'll see. No promises. Green is here. Hello. You're long on gold? Hello, Teacher FX is long on gold. Let's see. Oh, yeah. That's going. It's going. It's going. Just a second. I have to update. I have to update here some stuff about the codes because there's no sales going on currently. Yeah, it's 50% off at Apex right now. DAYTRADERS is still okay. TRADEIFY is still okay. Okay. MyFundedFutures network, okay. That's not okay. Oh. All right, that's fine now. Let's see. Malo is here. Oh, good to see you back. I was wondering, where are you at? Man, good to see you. Let's make those gains, yeah. Marco, good morning. Oh, Apex Wealth Charts is 90% off. You can try my code. Actually, I'm gonna Thank you for reminding me. Wells charts is 90% off. Hold on, I have to put a... All right. Let's see. Pinion Mendes, hello, good morning. You passed a Funded Futures network evaluation. Congratulations there. Congratulations. Ask APEC for me when they're gonna do. Trust me, I would like to have some 90% sale as well. Hey, fellow Hungarian trader, pálinkás jó reggelt neked is. Ó, de jó lenne most egy jó kis szilva pálinka. Hello. Apex Wealth Charts is basically a platform. I didn't try it yet. I did not try it yet. But it's basically their own trading platform. I mean, not like a platform, but it's you can trade. Yeah, it's a trading platform. Yeah, it's a different charting basically. Yeah. Some people are saying it's cool. I did not try it, but it's 90% off. Maybe I should try it. Ekru says pretty awful. That's I don't know. I did not try it, but it's 90% off, it seems like. Ollie, good morning. I didn't like how the candles move. Feel like Top Step X. Okay, so it's something similar to Top Step X or Project X or something. It's their own stuff. Not sure about the rest, but it's their thing. Okay, we have a fair value gap here on the 15-minute chart. And let's look at, so this is the 15-minute CB slash fair value gap. And this would be Asia high, I think, right? Right? Yeah, of course. I would say this is Asia high. I'm going to put this here. It's Asia high. All right. It might be going there. How far is that, by the way? Ooh, 100 points. Good luck. Oh, it's 50% off. Okay. Never mind then. It's 50% off. All right. I thought it's 90. Sorry. Okay. Then it's okay. It seems like no sale. I just thought that because there were some rumors yesterday that they're pushing the wealth charts, but obviously it's not happening. Yeah, 50% is not worth it. I mean, at least not for the wealth charts. I guess Apex should be coming out with some sort of a sale. All right, anyway, we're going up here. We're going up, and you know, it's still pretty wild here. Still, anything can happen. Picked up liquidity. I have a feeling that we're going for that CB up there. What's wrong with the DAYTRADERS connection? I might have to reconnect. There's a data issue here. Yeah, we need the 90%. Yeah, it could have been a flash sale. Yeah. All right, now it's good. So this starts at, wow, way above there. And I think we are going higher. What do you guys think? What's your opinion about this? That 15-minute CB is pretty much up there, ready to be taken. And we have Asia high. What would be Asia low? There wasn't even... Okay, this was Asia low, I guess. Previous day low. Slash Asia low. I would say so, right? I guess we'll see. Took profits on gold. Very satisfied. Congratulations. I haven't checked on gold yet, but it's definitely edging higher. Wow, what a move. Yeah, it's keep on pushing. So I was very surprised on the tariffs yesterday. I mean it was too sudden, in my opinion. I mean, Trump was already starting to do the tariffs. Not that I have any opinion about that. I was just, I mean, over 104% on China. And as far as I was reading, he's planning to do more tariffs in the future. I mean, to other countries as well. I mean, that's kind of wild, right? If you think about it. Kind of cool as well. No, I don't know. It's not bad. Oh, cold well charts. Okay. China deserves it. Yeah. Oh, look at that. We're just going higher. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. What a push here. I mean, 100 points just like that. Just like that. 100 points. That's awesome. $1,500 with this one on a pro. Natasha, congratulations. Earlier, before the stream, I started to do a quick scalp. So the only trade I did today, it was like before 2 a.m. Is a long from down here after it spiked. I mean, it was a little bit scary, but I tried out something to just reprice this area, and I made $200 on a day trader's account. But anyway, I mean, I need to be as much transparent with you guys as possible. And yesterday I burned myself again. I really need to do a recap. In expenses, I am doing somewhere around $5,600. So not too long ago, I was only down at $4,100 for this year. Now, I mean, I went up to $4,700. But after yesterday, I went up to $5,600 in expenses because I burned myself pretty much. And obviously, the crazy stuff I do is always after the stream, sometimes in the New York PM session, and I should learn from my mistakes. But I do crazy stuff in the New York PM session when I'm all by myself. I try to do some crazy scalping and I burn myself. So the problem is I had 4 Apex accounts and I lost 3 Apex accounts yesterday. 3 Apex accounts, which were about $1,200 to $1,400 in profit. 50K accounts. So I lost them because of copy trading, by the way. So the main Apex account which I use, and basically I want to show you guys this. I started to use Tradezilla, and I uploaded all the data from one of my from the main Apex account, and I had 3 other Apex accounts which I traded separately, and I was copy trading them to catch up with the main account. Obviously it didn't turn out well. So yesterday again started to scalp in this crazy tariff movement. Obviously the movements, even with micros, so I was just scalping with micros, like, you know, started with 2, 3, 4, 5, and obviously as the losses were pouring in, I went up to 8, sometimes 10 micro, like 1 mini, while the market was just jumping up and down, mostly down. And of course I killed my accounts. They have been copy traded, so I must say that. So I was focusing on one particular account. Obviously 3 went down the drain. So yeah, even the micros, they can kill. It happens. But what I did after that is I went on a little bit of a tilt. So I started to reset. I had some older Apex accounts which has been blown, and because there was no sale right yesterday. So what I started to do is I started to reset for $40 some older blown up Apex evaluation accounts. So I started to reset a few times, and I managed to make 4 new funded accounts. So here are the 4 new funded accounts. This is number 56 was the main one. So I'm just telling you the numbers here. Number 56 is the main Apex account. I had 2 payouts from this one. I got the second payout, by the way. Second payout from this account, I got it. $1,096. So on the way to the third payout on this Apex account. Number 56. Now, as you can see, number 64, 65, 66, 67. These are brand new ones after yesterday. I just activated them. So brand new. And so I've spent about yesterday with the reset prices and with the activation fees. I chose the lifetime, which is 125. I've spent around almost $900. It's a business, guys. For me, it's definitely a business. So I've spent around almost $900 to get these 4 new accounts. It's not something I'm proud of. Absolutely not. But I wanted to get Apex accounts back because I know you guys love Apex. I have no issues with them for now. But I got them back. So these accounts definitely took a toll on the budget. But anyway, the good news is the Bulenox accounts are looking good. One is at 1,555. The other account is at 1,865. The third Bulenox account is at 1,363. So catching up there. The DAYTRADERS account is almost at $2,000. I am going to request 2,000. I mean, when I reach 2,600, I'm going to request $2,000 from this one. I don't care about the drawdown. I mean, the safety net. You can actually request. As far as I checked, once I go above the safety net, I can request $2,000. So I'm gonna do that. I don't care. I'm gonna do it. Even if I blow the account, I'm gonna get that 2,000. So I only need a little bit more than 600 on this one, and that's it. That's the news. That's the news. Blue 3 evals. Yeah, exactly, Naomi. Yeah, it happens. We have to let our frustrations out. Yeah, exactly. You have a fight account? Actually, I always keep 1 or 2 evaluation accounts. By the way, I always have 1 or 2 evals that I can get, blow some steam off because, it's always good. Yes, something like that, Alika. As far as I checked, Alikalka, DAYTRADERS payout is like old Apex, but there is a catch. There is always a catch, of course, with DAYTRADERS. Well, I mean, not a big deal, but there's an 8-day payout cycle. Okay, you can request a payout anytime, but just like Apex, they have an 8-day payout cycle. As far as I checked with DAYTRADERS, and it's a little bit harder than TopStep in this particular manner, but at least you can take out the safety net as far as I checked. A trading day only counts as a trading day if you finish above $200 in profit. Okay? So TopStep requires you to make $200 in profit for 5 days. It doesn't have to be consecutive. The same goes to DAYTRADERS. You need to finish above $200 to count as a trading day. And 8 trading days, after 8 trading days, you are eligible for a payout. Okay, that's it. So TopStep only requires you 5 days. DAYTRADERS need 8 trading days above $200. So yeah, That's the catch, basically. But like, you can take out the safety net. $13 mini. Oh wow, that's, you know, if you made profit, Natasha, that's all that matters. Alpine makes over 300k on all day pack style payout, get 26 payout, and then blue. Yeah, I know that's how he did it. Yeah. Currently I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 5 is 10. 11. I have 11 funded accounts currently. 11 funded accounts. Made profit and a heart attack. I guess, Natasha, yeah. Natasha, I can feel you there. Profit and heart attack. Yeah. Future millionaire. Oh yeah, sure. I love when, you know, I love when some people, no offense to anyone, I mean, obviously it's not a bad thing, but I love when some people on social media are saying that I am managing $2 million in capital, or $5 million in capital, or, you know, because, you know, I don't want to offend anyone, but that's bullshit. I am a $3 million you know, funded trader, or I'm managing $3 million in funded. That's bullshit. So I have 11 accounts, all of them are 50Ks. So I can say now, hey guys, I am managing $550,000. Should I say that? I think it sounds better. Maybe if I go down the street and I tell people, hey, I am managing $550,000. And people would, oh my God, $550,000, you're managing that amount of money? And I would say, yeah. Although it's just monopoly money, it's demo account, but, you know, I'm still managing it, you know. Anyway. Yeah. Anyway, I'm sorry. No offense. I know I don't want to say names, but I definitely know a few people on social media who are saying that I'm managing $1.3 million. And I'm like, yeah, all right, good for you, you know. Good for you, man. Anyway, it sounds good. It sounds awful. I mean, awful, awesome. Oh yeah. Hey people, I've blown up. Oh, I could say that, you know, for the thumbnails and for clickbait. Hey everybody, I've blown up $150,000 yesterday. You know, Trump's tariffs. I've blown up. I lost. Oh, even better. Look at this. Thumbnail creation ideas. Trump's tariffs. I've lost $150,000 yesterday. You know, and then, oh my God, someone clicks on it and says, yeah, but, you know, it was all demo money, and basically I was just, you know, I mean, I know I can definitely see that some people are putting out that thumbnail. Anyway, sorry, it's not a rant. I mean, I'm not ranting on those people because obviously it's drawing attention on social media, but still, you know. All we are managing is account number extra. Exactly. All you have is that buying power, that small piece of leverage. That's what you have. So if I have like 10 or like 50K accounts, I would say on average with the $2,500, maybe I can say I manage like around $25,000 ish. Now that would be more realistic. So I manage about $25,000, and then okay, you know, that's a reasonable thing. How to lose 150K in 10 minutes. Imagine that. Yeah. And I would be having 1 million clicks. Yeah. That's a good one, by the way. Yeah, really. Oh, thank you for the likes. Yeah. And please do subscribe. I can promise you last week I didn't do the giveaway, but this is the short stream. I'm going to do giveaway this afternoon or tomorrow. I promise you that. There's going to be a giveaway, not in this London stream. Make sure to subscribe. And maybe there will be 2 giveaways. Who knows? But, all right. So as I said, and for those of you who are tuning in right now, I have to leave just before the 4 a.m. pre-open because I have an appointment to be at. So I'll try to be here until the pre-market open to see how it goes. But I'll be back for the full New York session. But I have to leave a bit early. I'm sorry. I try to do my best. Really, I do. Banks hate him for this one simple trick. Yeah. Oh, Natasha is killing it. Yeah. She is killing it. Oh, and by the way, about Tradezilla, I started to use Tradezilla, and here are my stats. So this is the main, Apex account. Let me see. Can I do it like this? So I'm gonna put this here, and this way you guys can see the bigger picture. Let's see. Yeah, because my screen is cropped. Okay. So I'm doing this account since February 6th. And this is how I started in February. The payouts are not on this, and I'm trying to find a way to put this on properly. So anyway, and then oh, there's nothing. Okay. And then came March. So as you can see, like small gains, break-even day, I had a losing day here. And so this, and yesterday was the big day because of the big drop. But anyway, the win ratio is 66%. Obviously this is not good because I already got $2,200, almost $2,200 paid out from this. But the profit factor is 2.72. That's good. Average win is $189. Average loss is $136. So I would say that this equity curve is pretty healthy. And yeah, pretty much in the green. One losing day, which was a little bit big one. There was a small one, but this was the only one. So I do like this Tradezilla thing. I'm gonna check it out further. And I'm gonna upload the other accounts. Maybe it can help me to track my trades or practice a little bit more discipline with this. I'm not sure. Oversizing, you're oversizing. Everybody does the same thing sometimes. DW stream guest yesterday. I saw he was having someone. I mean, I didn't know the guy. I didn't know who he was. Yeah. I never say never for that, Natasha, but you know, I still have to. I have to do better. The problem is still the emotions, you know. Emotions. Have to control the emotions. That's always. Do the basic plan, connect multiple Rhythmic accounts if you connect through RTrader. The problem with Rhythmic Trader, and I don't mind it, it's not a big deal, is that it cannot connect directly to Rhythmic. Currently, Tradezilla, just like TradesViz, or what's that name, what Apex is using, just like the same. So they cannot connect directly to Rhythmic as far as I checked it. Maybe I'm wrong. So there's one more extra step that you have to do. You have to log into Rhythmic and export the daily data to a file and upload it to Tradezilla. But it takes about a minute or less, even less, 30 seconds. Everything is set up, everything is there. You just have to log in, export, and upload. So it's about 30 seconds or less to do. At the end of the day, when you're finished, that's what you have to do, and it's updated. Oh, there you go. So Acro is exporting from Quantower. I mean, Tradezilla looks good. There is one thing that I like to see, and I don't think that Tradezilla has it, mostly for the Apex trading, is that the daily drawdown. You know, TradesViz is like similar to Tradezilla, but I think they have that function. So you can see the daily drawdown for open positions. That is exactly what Apex is using. That's how they check on you to see how much was your daily drawdown. So I'm gonna check on TradesViz as well. It's like basically almost identically the same as Tradezilla, but they see the daily drawdown. Do you know how long it takes for the pro account to set up once you... Yeah, it takes... it can take... I got a new pro account as well from yesterday, so it can take up to New York session from here on London session. So I just got the email. I mean, yesterday... No. Because there was a blown eval, and I got the email in London session, so it's gonna take until New York session. Takes a few hours. They're a little bit slow, not that much, but if you don't have it in the New York AM session, then you can send a message on the chat and they will activate it for you. And because of the no fee promo, you should be having a credit for activation. You know, you pay with the credit when you go to the checkout. It's typically an FTMO and my no Apex after my fight with them. Yeah, I imagine. Not a few days. You should be having the, if not by the AM session, but sometime during, I would say, New York business hours. So in New York business hours, which could be even lunch hour or later, but you should be having the pro account. So Martin, hello. Hit the like. Hello, good to see you. Good to see you. So we took liquidity from that gap. Now what's gonna happen? Honestly, I think we could go up to Asia high. On the 5-minute, there's no gap. We picked up liquidity from this 15-minute gap down here. But there was no displacement. Let's give a different color to this. I don't know. There's a 15-minute fair value gap. Okay. We'll still have London open, not too far. Let's look for order blocks, okay? The hunt for order blocks. Let's get it started. I already found it, okay? Here's an order block. Bullish order block slash demand zone right here. This one. Yeah. This is the 5-minute, okay. 5-minute bullish order block. Middle. No, top. Center. Okay, let's put it there. So, and I'm referring to, I mean, yeah, to these bearish candles here. That's the order block. Now what that means is price can still go lower. Try to target you know what? I think it could be a good short opportunity. With 1 micro, I might even jump in. All right. Oops. 67. All right. On an evaluation account, I took a short. Only eval. Might have been a bad idea. But only with 1 micro. So anyway, let me read the chat real quick. Jeff Koski, hello, welcome. Took the long from 2 a.m. Oh, you took it on your phone, nice. Oh, the short is not gonna be good here. Halfway with TPT on 25k at least. You will get it, best DJ in town, I know. payout every month. Let's go. Yeah, who knows? Unfortunately, I'm almost out from this trade, but it is what it is. This is just an eval. Yeah, it's gonna push me out. But for now, yeah, I would say Asia high. Are we going there? It seems like it. Seems like it. The problem is the moves are real crazy still. It can still just spike. It can spike up 20 or 50 points in like 5 seconds any moment. Goes into effect in 15 minutes. Which time zone? Eastern Standard or Central Time? Yeah, I'm out from this. Okay, let's move on. Let's move on. Do we have some gaps up there? I think we do. At the 50s, right? Open is 50.50. Up there in the 50s, we do have some gaps. Interesting. Interesting. I might have to reconnect. Always a connection issue here. Did we see a reaction from those tariffs on China? No, I was actually searching for that too. Yeah. Spread is crazy, right? Mm-hmm. We need Joe Biden's market back. Don't worry about tariffs. Don't care about it. Nobody cares about tariffs anymore. It's fine. It's fine. All right, let's see. Let's see. I'm guessing there is some kind of a connection issue I'm having with the Funded Futures network. I have to disconnect again. Maybe I'm gonna check another server for better connection. Yeah, gotta be careful on this week. Yeah, for sure. Well, we are definitely in the macro right now, so or what you can do, or we can do, is maybe stay on the higher time frames. Safer option for now. 2 hours ago, okay. Well, yeah, the U.S. Open is definitely gonna be wild. It is, or will be. There is an order block on the 1 minute as far as I'm checking it. Yeah. Could go lower, I guess. Crazy, crazy market conditions. I'm wondering, there's a level at, I mean, 935. I'm not sure. There was this big move yesterday, and I thought that it wants to break that 673, which it didn't. And I just don't know what's the plan here. Justify this is coming to BDH. I think that's gonna be interesting when he goes there. Question is the market makers are going to kidnap him, or the universe is gonna do something that does not allow him to travel, or something, But we'll see. Just trolling, obviously. London Open is close. Very close. Bit of a bearish flag thingy here, but I can see that's going higher. Up to the 50s maybe. I mean 17,050. ish area. Yeah, exactly. Even the range is so wild. I mean, wide. Sorry. Yeah, I know what you mean there. Exactly. This makes the whole situation a little bit crazy. I wonder if it wants to push it up there to the 50s or not. Small gap. Also on the mini. Not sure. Bull flag. Tomorrow we have FOMC Tuesday. Yeah, I guess. Yeah, there's gonna be some. I don't even know if those numbers are gonna really do anything after these trade wars. Oh yeah, 100-point stops everywhere. Higher prices. Could be. We have London Open real soon. Let's see what it does. All right. How much time? 1 minute 30 seconds. Big short seller. Yeah. Well, if there's a big seller, I guess maybe some buyers want to absorb some of his orders. Who knows? Depends which levels are this seller protecting. But for now, we're just watching to see where it wants to go. Crazy markets, for sure. Anyway, let's see. Here it comes. London Open. Let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. I thought that there is a gap higher, but all right, it's not moving for it. Still sideways. Trying to figure this out, if we can do anything with this. But not too much. The Joker Trades, hello, good morning, welcome. And Trading Star is here, good to see you, man. How's it going? There it goes, up to the 50s. There was a small gap there. I just wasn't sure if it will go back up there or not. I wonder if it would. How far is this spike up there? 50 points. I mean, it can. Why not? Not too many interesting stuff going on to the left. Asia high is like 100 points up there. 204. Can it go? What do you guys think? I guess it can, right? Maybe. Oh, wow. Wow, what was this? I'm telling you guys, we are not prepared for that. What is I mean, talk about surprises, right? Jesus, what is this candle, man? 300 points, 5-minute candle. Nice. This 1-minute candle is 240 points. Trading view is frozen. Jeez, what is going on here? 300 points. Now this is a real boner candle. What the hell was this? I mean, even if you're just not trading, just watching this makes you like, what the? Now this should be a sign that, you know, don't do anything crazy. Wow. Passed an eval with this one. Nice, congratulations, Krister. No, it just froze. I don't know what happened. Oh, it was Trading Star. All right, thanks. Spread is greater than 10. Oh my god, what is happening here? I don't think so. I wouldn't worry about it right now. I mean, at this point, it could be the initial reaction of the European Open. I mean, yeah, it's London, but basically the initial reaction and for yesterday. And maybe that's it. Maybe after this candle, it could be just going like sideways and that's it. So. And we're basically only 0.3% up. So we're okay. We're in the green. Close your long from 830. Oh, that's a nice position. Oh. I mean, the reaction for you. I mean, yesterday Trump was talking at the market close, right? And obviously, who knows? London was closed, right? London was closed. Tell me. So by the time this China thing came out with Trump and everything, the London markets were closed. So London opened up right now. The big boys in London, as everything opened up, dropped all their orders into the market. And that's why I'm saying it was an initial reaction. Maybe not the best word because it's not initial, but this was the reaction from London to yesterday's trade wars, basically. Or who knows? I don't know. I'm just speculating here. But China urges dialogue with the US to resolve trade dis. Oh, okay. I guess Tamimi is right. Never mind. I think, who's that lady? What's her name anyway? You know, the press secretary, or I don't know if that's her title, who was doing the press conference yesterday at the White House. That blonde lady. She was saying Trump is gonna be gracious. That was the word she was using. The president is gonna be gracious when China is or the other parties are gonna ask him to make a deal. So Trump is gonna be gracious, like a king, you know, king of the 7 kingdoms or something like that. So he's gonna be gracious. Oh, it's on live? Whew. Where is it? I have to find it. Come on, YouTube. China Live. No. Press conference. Okay, is this it?
试图与上述中国政府取得联系。
中方正在向乌方核实有关的情况。
China is verifying information with the Ukrainian side. Let me stress that the Chinese government always asks Chinese nationals to stay away from areas of armed conflict, avoid any form of involvement in armed conflict, and in particular, avoid participation in any party's military operations.
Uh-huh.
下一个问题。
Next one, please.
新华社记者提问：当前世界经济正处于单边主义，
As the world economy faces severe challenges of rising unilateralism and a trade war looms large on the prospects of global recovery, certain countries' tariff policy makes the landscape of the world more uncertain. Meanwhile, we noted that China remains a strong magnet for foreign investment, as evidenced by the recent intensive visits by foreign business CEOs to China and the implementation of key projects. Some foreign media and the multinational senior executives said in plain words that leaving the Chinese market means letting go of a ticket to a decade economic growth. Optimism for China, upward revision to China's GDP growth forecasts, and more investment in China have been frequently mentioned by the international business sector, which speaks to the world's high expectation of the role of China's economy as an engine. What is your comment? No matter how the international landscape evolves, China's economy has a solid foundation and sufficient driving forces for steady and forward growth. With the strong leadership of the CPC Central Committee, the notable strength of socialism...
Yeah, I have no idea what he's talking about, so anyway. Basically, China is solid. They have no issue. So it's all good. They don't care about these tariffs, you know. Oh, I got the new Pro account. Who was it who was asking? I just got the email from the new Pro account 2 minutes ago. I'm ready to activate my new Pro account. It was planned. Scale down. Oh, definitely. Yeah. We're waiting. Yeah, no, I'm not entering. Definitely not touching my funded accounts. No way. No funded account trade at this moment, that's for sure. No way. Thank you, sir. We are not doing that. Camille is here. Hello. Well, I would say trading is fun. You know, we're having so much fun. It's fun. London trading session just got funnier. No, actually, nothing is happening. Yeah, take profit trader. Yeah. Trading star. Thank you, Alicia. I just logged into my dashboard. I still don't see the go to pro sign, but I guess they're gonna add it later. Oh yeah, because they're okay. Our team will check your. Okay, so now they're still checking it. Well, they can check it as much as they want. Oh. Fortnite is forever. No, I'm not playing Fortnite, just saying. 243 for settlement. Man. 43. Okay. Let's see. Funded only. Let's go, Jokur. I'm not saying don't trade your funded. I'm just be careful, you know. That's it. Be careful, be careful. Alicia, I just got the email. You know, 6 minutes ago that congratulations, blah blah blah. Our program is blah 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 blah. Few steps away. So here's what's happened next. Our team will check your account to confirm you're eligible for pro account. Okay. So basically that's why I need to get one more email, but you know, it's still good news because they're already checking it. So basically it's an automated message. That's what I want to say. The next step should be the dashboard update. So you don't need to email them, Alicia. The credit is going to be there. When you click on Go to Pro, there's going to be the payment methods on the checkout. So obviously debit card, credit card, or wallet, or there's going to be credit. So there should be at least one credit per account, right? And you choose credit and you pay with credit, and it's done. It's activated. Can you show me your Streamlabs audio settings? I can show you. I can show you. Can I put this to the screen? It's not gonna. Streamlabs audio settings. How do I do that? Oh my god. I have multiple audio channels. So I don't know. I have virtual audio cables. I have sound effect for the live subs. I have the cable. This is the virtual cable. This is the microphone. This is the default audio device. So I don't know which one to show you here. I think I have some settings. Audio. This is what I'm having here as audio. I'm not sure if you can see it. I have my default audio device. This is a virtual audio cable. And yeah. 45 stereo. Not too many settings I have here, I guess. These are the ones. With channel capture background music if you play a YouTube video. This is the one here that I'm using. So these man, I mean these settings have been set up by my friend. I don't know anything about what is here. I have no idea what is happening here on the OBS. Audio tracks. You can ask me about quantum physics. I can answer faster for quantum physics before I can answer to you what is happening here. I have no freaking idea. It wasn't me who set this up. My friend who's really much into computers, he did this, and I have no idea. Anyway. Hey, no, I mean, Trading Star, I wish I could help you, but I don't know what to look for because it wasn't me who set this up. I have a good friend who came over and he set up my OBS. I have absolutely no knowledge of how this works. So I don't know nothing. I know how to start the stream and that's it. And how to change some minor stuff here and that's it. Anyway, let me read the chat real quick. Okay. Won't set you up until morning. Okay, so until business hours. Okay. You can't play music on your stream. You know, with the music, you have to be careful about the notifications. As long as you're not monetized, it doesn't matter, basically. So you can play it. Ukraine war. Okay. Yeah. No, we're not gonna full port. No, Camille. Once we ever broken shorts around. Yeah, it could be. Could be Jay. 500 on the second team. Let's go, best DJ in town. There is none for mine. Perhaps it's because it was a free account I reserved with your credits. That could be true. Yeah, Alicia, if it was a free account with credits, it could be a thing, yes. I can also tell you that I got I used to get free accounts from Take Profit Trader after I did some sales. And in credits, everybody who's streaming online and who is an influencer and affiliated with the Take Profit Trader, sometimes after a certain amount of sales gets a complimentary test account from Take Profit Trader. When I use that credit and pass the account, I also had to pay the activation fee. Even though there was a no fee promo, I still had to pay the activation fee because it was a gift account for me as an affiliate. So I think maybe so. I'm just saying if you had some credits or points to pay with it, and you might have to pay that. Ramsey, definitely. Tommy me, I tried to use it. I couldn't set it up. My friend wasn't here since then, and I just can't do it because I wanted to listen music on the live stream without having an issue with the VOD. Because if we listen music and the VOD is gonna record the music, then I get the message from YouTube. But someone told me that I can have a virtual audio cable, listen to some copyright protected music, but the VOD is not gonna be recording that audio channel, and I'm not gonna get a strike or email about that. I couldn't set it up. GC hit 71, so I can activate my pro, but it says it's 25k, but my eval is 50k. Then you have to if it says 25k, then have to connect support, contact support. I think there's a glitch. Sometimes there was a glitch in Take Profit Trader. Yeah, it's a glitch. Resmi, definitely contact them. Take Profit Trader's dashboard on the website definitely had some glitches earlier. I mean, in the past few months. So definitely contact them. Yeah. So yeah, it's a glitch in my opinion. Ollie's back. All right. Jeff is here. You lost internet. All right. Welcome to the 21st century. Just trolling. Okay. I want to play background music and but Streamlabs doesn't pick up. Yeah, I have the same issue too. Streamlabs is not picking up the audio properly, and 7 Moneybag Yo is here. I activated to pro always. We'll see what happens. Yeah. Anyways, sorry. Well, you can still contact support, you know. How to handle this? Even in my, it's not difficult to be in drawdown price and space, but we'll see. Let's see. You know, the thing is with this, Jose, in these kind of market conditions right now, these are extreme conditions, okay? So first of all, you have to keep that in mind. We're not used to get these kind of liquidity and moves, especially not in the London sessions. So yes, one micro can also get you to a $200 or $300 drawdown in very, very fast. Definitely, you have to go for your A+ setups. That's one thing. You have to predetermine your risk. So, for example, I know $100, for example, it can be pretty. I mean, $100 can be done in just a few seconds in these markets. So, I would say risk less. Try to go for less risk and try to increase your risk-to-reward ratio. Okay, so like if you risk $100, then try to go for $150 or $200 of risk, even with one micro, and go for the A+ setups. That's what I would do. That's what I'm still trying to do here, especially after yesterday. So extreme market. It's not about you. I mean, it's not your wrongdoing specifically. Just definitely have to go smaller size. Okay. These conditions are extreme right now. So under quote-unquote normal conditions, with micros, risk all it takes is risk management. Once you have your entry model, you should be okay. I don't know what's your experience, if you're just starting out, you definitely should be sticking with one entry model and, you know, practice that. Under audio mixer, mute desktop. Okay, I'll try that in OBS. Okay, I'm not gonna mess around with it now, but for the next stream, maybe I'll try something. Yeah. Yeah, the market is extreme. Be careful. Definitely have to go with micros, everybody. Do you know when this volatility is going to be over? I would say, well, we don't know. We don't know, but I think this month could be full of surprises. I think. Everybody's watching Trump, and now the countries are starting to do an agreement with him. I wish I know that. I have to be sizing down, you know. 4 mini on ES. Jeff is like a big player. He's a big boy. He can handle it. 4 mini on ES. Let's go. He can handle it. Oh man. Don't worry. It's cool. It's alright. There's that music from E17 or Take That. It's called It's Alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's really alright. Right? So it's alright. Oh, 300k accounts. I told you guys, he's a big boy. Algo showing higher time frame, sell program. Yeah, that's what I was afraid of. I was hoping that Joker Trades won't say that, but I think so. That could be the case. So higher time frames programs are now in order, and they are gonna shake the market like crazy. We have some interesting levels though. I have a feeling that this is not finished down here. It still wants to sweep everybody like way below the 16,400s. Let's see the daily chart. By the way, let's see the daily chart just for a second. So here, oh yeah, baby, look at that. Order block 16,000 and 200, 300-ish area. Going lower, and this was 23. This is yeah, it's 23 November, then it got to December. Okay, never mind. This low, wow. Yeah, 23 October 26. Let's go. Let's zoom out. The only major low would be that one. But, you know, as I'm seeing this, one more spike down, one more push to the downside, just to reprice this beautiful fair value. There's a fair value gap here. Few fair value gaps here on the day. Look at this, 1, 2, 3 days fair value gaps. Let's go. Is it gonna happen today? Who the hell knows? But I think it just might go down. Just to finish up. This daily candle, the high was 360.25, 57. How the hell did it not go higher, by the way? The high was 360, 57. Missed it by, so basically this is an inside bar. Inside, still trading inside the range. could go down. Never mind. I'm just talking to myself. Loud thinking. Got them cheap. All right. Bullish breakers on the hourly. Oh yeah, baby. We have some nice bullish breakers here. Also here. Here. Anything can happen. Okay, now price is congesting into a zone. So we're gonna just hover around here until 4 a.m. and then boom, whoever or whatever is gonna happen, I don't know. This is the scenario here. Mac guy, your loss. No, Mac is good. As I said, London opened up. Big boys putting in some orders. Market moved. And now it's just going to chill until 4 a.m. That's it. That's the play. Oh my god, Yanix. You've blown your express stop step. Yanix, I'm sorry to hear that. I mean, man, I know that sucks. Especially in these conditions. I mean, no. In these conditions, you know, it happens. Yesterday, I blown 3 of my Apex accounts. So, funded. So, yeah, I know. You know, I was sitting here and I was waiting for Yanix to come by to the stream. And, you know, I was thinking like, when is this guy gonna show up to the stream? Because he's a cool guy. He's an OG viewer. And so I was just watching the charts. And Yanix comes by. The first sentence he makes on the stream, "Hi, I blow my express top step." I was expecting more. No, I'm trolling you, Yanix, trying to cheer you up. Next time, bring some good news, all right? But hey, I know how it feels. Trust me. Yesterday, I blown 3 Apex accounts, and I was down on. I'm down on the brand new MyFundedFutures eval. Funded on the daily loss limits. So trust me, I know. I know it sucks. But you're a big boy. You can handle it. So move on. Stop crying. All right. I know you're not crying. I know. Let's move on. Let's move on, everybody. Yannick's, you're gonna make it back. I know. These days, 2 to 3. Definitely. 2 or 3 micros is more than replicate 1 mini. Oh yeah, definitely best DJ in town. Ollie is finally in profit. 34 bucks. Nice. You're paying for my lunch and dinner. Thank you. As I told you guys, I might have to leave in about 20-25 minutes maximum. We'll see. Okay. But I know it's not okay, but I'll be back for New York. Like it or not. But I'll be here. I'll still be here. Don't worry, everybody. Don't worry. I'm the ghost in the machine. Oh no, that's Michael. What to do? What to do? It's all right. I gotta go to the bathroom. I'll be right back. All right. Are we going to 89? And what is up there on the 15 minute? Nothing. There is a gap on the 1 hour though. I'm gonna mark that as possible buy side liquidity at 463 if it wants to start going. 100 points for NQ is nothing. So yeah. Anyway, all right. Nincs meg. Igen, az arany lehet, hogy kiszámíthatóbb. Gábor, fellow Hungarian trader, says here that gold is also pushing nicely. Oh wow, yeah. Whew. Wow, look at this, man. I was actually surprised how gold went down. I was actually thinking that gold, you know, in this uncertainty, gold should be spiking even higher and higher. So I was a little bit surprised how it didn't go up, for example, yesterday. Anyway, but it's going up now. And look at this. This one's also going up. 463 is the next fair value gap on the hourly. I'm not jumping in, that's for sure. If you learn to operate even in these conditions, oh yeah, definitely. Proof of manipulation. I agree. I agree. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm sorry to say this. I just have a message that I have to leave. I told you guys this is going to be a short stream. I can't not stay here for the pre-market open, all right? So I'm sorry to say this, but I have to go. I have an appointment to be at. I'll be back for... I know, Camille, I know. I'll be back for the New York session, and for the rest of the week, everything should be okay. No unscheduled business for me. So thank you so much for being here. Interesting morning, definitely. Look for that 463. I think we're going to go there if this one's keep pushing. Okay. See you, Gabor. And if you would like to support, please do not forget to use my code. It really helps out a lot on the stream and to me to be here. Thank you so much, everybody. The same code works everywhere. Try out Tom Sabo, one of the best cheat codes for prop firms. Thank you so much. And God bless you all. I'll be back for the New York session. All right. God bless. Cheers, everybody.